today's video comes straight out of the comments section, as I've had a few people mention as well as ask about shaving the head with the leaf razor. And well, up till about a month ago, I'd only used this thing twice. And honestly, it's because the twice that I did use it, I ended up cutting myself pretty decently. I decided that it really was time to do a video and give the leaf a fair shot at shaving my head. Now, for the first week of shaving my head with the leaf razor, I did remove one of the blades because I had tried 3 before and cut my head pretty well. I decided that I should probably cut it down to 2 blades and get used to the razor before moving on to 3. Now, with only using 2 blades in the leaf, it left a little bit of stubble, almost as if I was shaving with a electric rotary shaver, and which is still fairly close. You can't really tell from a visual aspect, but you can definitely feel it, and it's just not the closeness that I really like on my head. So after a week, I decided to go ahead and add that extra blade in there, and as I had done before with the 3 blades, I went ahead and cut myself pretty decently in about 3 to 4 spots on my head, which meant I had to go a couple of days that I normally would have shaved without using the leaf, so that those wounds could heal up properly and I wouldn't reopen them up. Now, the spots that I cut myself on, I do have to say, are spots that I routinely cut myself on if I am pressing down too hard on a razor. Now, once my head was healed up, I was able to go right back to the 3 blade, and I made sure this time that I didn't press down really at all, and I just let the tension of the spring on my head do all of the work. And for the past 2 weeks, I have not cut my head again, besides one little nick somewhere in here from where I had a mosquito bite a couple of days ago. Now, you may be saying, Justin, that's great that you're up to 3 razors and not cutting your head, but how does it shave? Well, I'm pleasantly surprised to say that, well, it shaves great. Of course. I mean, it is the leaf that's made for heads and bodies, so it's gonna do a good job. And I do have to say that I think it may get even a little bit closer than my half-time razor does, especially in certain spots that honestly I thought that the leaf would end up having problems. But turns out it doesn't. Now, the only issue that I really found with shaving my head with the leaf is right at the ears here, and really that wasn't that big of a deal. It's just something that I prefer to have a mirror for when I am kind of straightening up those lines for the beard and stuff. It just makes it a little bit easier in a mirror versus blindly doing it in the shower. Now, because of my experience on using and learning how to shave my head with the leaf, I would suggest taking that first bottom blade out before you go and just start shaving with it, because it is definitely different, even if you're used to using like a regular Mach 3 or 7 or whatever the heck they're up to nowadays. Because this head is much more flexible than any other razor that you probably have, you will want to try it out with the 2 and then move into the 3, being careful when you do so. Now, I think one reason why I didn't continue to shave with the leaf the first couple times that I tried it was, one, because I did cut my head several times in a row, but I also did not have the little rubber grip for it. So when the metal gets wet, it can get kind of slippery and not as comfortable to hold onto, where now I do have the little rubber grip add-on, and that I think made quite a big difference, because I do shave my head in the shower, as you've been seeing here, and it definitely makes a big difference when you can get a good firm grip on the razor itself. Now, do I think that you should use the leaf over whatever your current head shaving option is? If you are tired of spending money on the disposable blades of whatever razor you may be using currently, and you want just to put down a bit of money for a good lifelong razor and a lot of cheap blades that are gonna get really nice and close, probably a little bit closer than whatever you're currently shaving with, I think that the leaf is a very good option, and it's going to be my go-to in the apocalypse. So, stocking up on those blades now. Now, let me know down in the comments if you think that I should continue on with the leaf or go back to my favorite, the half-time razor. If you like this video and you want to see more head shaving content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss any more videos, and of course, hit that thumbs up if you liked this video. To see the full review, make sure to check out this video up here. Down below, that's going to be more products from Leaf that you may enjoy as well. Until next time, as always, you have a good one.